In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find diagnosis codes in Jane app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to narrow your results, and what to review, so you choose the most accurate code for your documentation and billing. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. First, log into the Jane app with your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the correct clinic or location if your account has access to more than one. Permissions can vary by role, so if you don't see what I'm showing, check with your admin to confirm you have access to diagnosis codes. As you work, keep privacy in mind and avoid entering any unnecessary patient details while you search. Next, use the search to find your code. Look for the main search bar at the top of the screen and type in a keyword, a condition name, or a code prefix, whatever you know. For example, you can search by a term like low back pain or by a partial code if you already have one in mind. If your first search returns too much, add a body region or a more specific descriptor like acute, chronic, or right. Short, targeted terms usually give clearer results. From your results, click into the area labeled diagnostic codes. This groups your search specifically to codes, filtering out anything like clients, appointments, or other records that might share similar terms. It's a quick way to make sure you're only looking at structured code entries rather than general content. Now select from the diagnosis codes that appear. You'll see code names alongside their alphanumeric identifiers and often the code set they belong to. If you notice several similar options, open the one that's closest to your intent so you can compare the details. Watch for subtle differences, like laterality, acuity, or encounter details, that distinguish one code from another. Finally, review the details. In the code view, read the full description to confirm the exact meaning. Look for notes that call out inclusions or exclusions, laterality, when applicable, and any guidance specific to the code set or region. If your practice follows a particular standard, confirm the code aligns with that guideline. When the description matches your clinical documentation and billing needs, you're good to proceed with that selection. If it doesn't, use the back option to compare a nearby variant until you find the perfect fit. That's all there is to it. Log in, search smart, filter to diagnostic codes, select the best match, and verify the details to ensure accuracy. Thanks for watching and happy coding in Jane.